Join Stellar Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Stellar Academy has produced Goa's best results in JEE Main 2024. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12.
So I challenge this, saying if we're going to call it a citizenship, at least let us give people the rights of citizens. And they said, no. We had briefly had a time when OCI cardholders from foreign countries were allowed to play for India and represent India in certain sports. There was a tennis player called Prakash Amritraj who was born and brought up in America, but who played for India in the Davis Cup. Because at that point he was better than many others with Indian passports. He was only an OCI holder. Until one of our ministers stopped that. And I went and argued with the minister. And he said, if we are playing the US in the Davis Cup, which national anthem will he stand up for? I said, if he's playing for India, of course he'll stand up for our national anthem. The day he plays for America, he'll stand up for their national anthem. How does it matter? Really sorry to hear that. And I really do want you to know that as far as the Congress Party is concerned, we will always want to stand up for your rights, to safeguard your own land and to preserve the land of Goa for your cultural heritage and for your own people.